Good morning students, I am Pragati and today we are going to talk about our fourth chapter, second topic, that is neurons. In this chapter, as we know that we are going to study all the complete biological structure of human body, and from this we are going to start from neurons. What is neuron, or how the structure is, and what are the basic functions of nervous system. This all things we are going to understand. Why it is important, how it is important, it is very basic thing. The neuron is divided into three parts. If you see, it is divided into three parts which we are going to understand one by one. In neuron, the first thing is related to this cell which is known as nucleus. Okay, this nucleus is being used form or transfer the information to the other. From here the information generate into a chemical form. Okay, electronic form, the information is formed. Now the empty space is known as soma. Okay, what are these structure? These band like thread-like structure, these are known as dendrites. These dendrites are the receivers. Okay, here this is the second neuron. Similarly, these also have the same thing like this. Okay, I'm just making it in a form. These are the dendrites which are working as a receiver. They receive information from the other end, the terminal button. These terminal buttons are the one which transfer the information to the dendrites. So these are the receivers, and these receiver receive the information, information which is been getting from the thing. Okay, for example, anything is hot, you touch that hot thing, so you get the information. Your cells will transfer the information to the brain. From whom help? From these dendrite helps, from these neuron help, the information is transferred to the brain central nervous system. Okay, so these dendrites are the receivers. This is soma, where the information is stored into an electronic form and then it transferred to the end of the terminal button of neuron. This is nucleus. Okay, here all the electronic information is being stored and then it's transferred in an electronic form to the second part. Okay, this part, the pipe structure, it is also divided into two parts. One is axon. It is a delivery pipe which is transferring the information. You can see in a form, this form, it is being milling shell is known as, okay, axon is being transferring. This part is known as axon. This part is not axon. The nucleus is being transferring from a pipe. This pipe, starting point of the pipe is known as axon. Okay, then it is formed in square structure which is known as milling shell. Okay, these boxes are known as milling shell. Here the information is being transferred and one is connected with the other. This connector is known as node of Ranvier. Okay, node of Ranvier, and then it connected to the other. Now information is transferring from one place to another. The information is transferring from here and it has been divided into two parts. Okay, where it has been divided? It is divided into moving towards the terminal end. In terminal end, these cells where this information, this all thing, these are sclerotic cell. Okay, sclerotic cell, इसको sclerotic cell कहा जाता है. These sclerotic cells have been transferring the information to the terminal button. These are the terminal button. And now the important term, see, the information transfer to the other, have to transfer, the neuron have to transfer the information to the other neuron. In between there is a gap. This gap is known as neuron transmission. Okay, neuron transmission, the neuron information, the chemical information, these dots which has been formed, this is neuron transmission, and this gap is known as synapse cleft. What it is known as? Synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft is the the gap between the two neurons. And what is synapse? It is a functional connection between the two neurons. अब एक connection जरूर है ना दोनों neurons में, whether they are not connected, but the information is being transferred from one to other. The attraction is there. You've been seeing that if you take two poles of the two magnets, the same side, north and north only, okay, the positive and positive side, it will not connect. The gap have a power, it will remain like this. The gap which between the two will be, this gap between the two is known as synaptic cleft, and this cleft have some neuron chemical reaction. These are electronically the information is being transferring. Here it change into chemical form, okay, and then it transfer to the other, and that chemical form is known as neuron transmitters, okay, and these dots are known as synaptic cleft. Now moving on, the basic unit of nervous system, what are the functioning, how it is being function. Converter stimuli into electronic impulse, as I told कि यहाँ पे electronic cleft है, ये इसको chemical में change कर रही है, तो converts कर रही है stimulus को electronic impulses को chemical impulses में. क्या function है इसका? इनका function है reception, conduction and transmission. Reception means they are रिसीविंग इंफॉर्मेशन, रिसीवर्स काम कर रहे हैं, डेंड्राइन्स रिसीव कर रही है एक्सॉन्स के थ्रू, मेलन सेल के थ्रू, नोड्स ऑफ रियर के थ्रू जो कंडक्शन हो रही है, मतलब यहाँ की इंफॉर्मेशन एंड पे ट्रांसफर हो रही है इंफॉर्मेशन को नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन पे भेजने के लिए, एंड देन ट्रांसमिशन from the end, from the terminal button, it is transferring information in chemical form through the synaptic cleft to the other neuron. That is known as the transmission. So this is the main function of the nervous system. Now types: efficient nerves and efficient nerves. Efferent, A-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, efferent nerve, and efferent, E-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, efferent nerve. Okay, now afferent nerve क्या करती है? Afferent nerve are the sensory nerves, means these are the nerves which sense the sensations, sense to our sense organs. All the information from the brain is being transferred to the organs that are sensory nerves. That work is being done by the afferent nerves. Okay, इसमें जो afferent nerves है वो हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन से इंफॉर्मेशन भेज रही है, सेंसरीज को, सेंस ऑर्गन्स को इंफॉर्मेशन भेज रही है ब्रेन से. और ये जो है एफरेंट, ई से, एफी और ये एफी, ए और ई का फर्क है. एफरेंट नर्व्स जो है वो मोटर नर्व्स को इंफॉर्मेशन भेज रही है, मीन्स मसल्स को, जो मसल से इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, जो मसल्स पुल हो रहा है या मसल वर्किंग जो है सारी, वो हमारे एफरेंट नर्व्स कर रही है. ओके, तो इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी हमें ब्रेन को आ रही है मसल्स के थ्रू, मोटर नर्व्स के थ्रू, दैट आर नोन एज एफरेंट नर्व्स. जो नर्व्स हमारे सेंस नर्व्स वेन्स के थ्रू, आर्टरीज के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है ब्रेन को, सेंसरी नर्व्स जिन्हें हम कहते हैं वो काम करता है एफरेंट नर्व के थ्रू। ओके, नाउ नर्व्स आर व्हाट? नर्व्स आर द बंडल ऑफ एक्सॉन्स। ये एक्सॉन जो है ये एक नहीं है, ये एक न्यूरॉन नहीं इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर कर सकता, ऐसे बहुत सारे न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं जो एक साथ इकट्ठे होते हैं और ऐसे एक बंडल फॉर्म कर लेते हैं। तो ये जो एक्सॉन है जब ये बंडल फॉर्म करता है तो उसे हम एक नर्व कहते हैं। नाउ यू कैन सी योर नर्व्स, इफ यू डू लाइक दिस यू विल एबल टू सी योर नर्व्स। तो ये जो नर्व्स है इसमें न्यूरॉन्स है और वो क्या है? बंडल ऑफ एक्सॉन्स है। तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। नाउ नर्व्स के बाद नर्व में इम्पल्सेस और नर्व पोटेंशियल होते हैं। नर्व इम्पल्सेस क्या करती है? इट इंफॉर्मेशन दैट ट्रैवल इन नर्वस सिस्टम, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है नर्व्स के थ्रू ट्रैवल कर रही है नर्वस सिस्टम में, दैट आर बीन वर्कड बाय नर्व्स इम्पल्सेस। एंड नर्व पोटेंशियल व्हाट डज इट डू? चेंजेस इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पोटेंशियल्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ न्यूरॉन। जो ये न्यूरॉन है या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंफॉर्मेशन है सारी, राइट, दैट इज ट्रांसफरिंग हियर इन द केमिकल ना। तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सरफेस का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पोटेंशियल फॉर्म कर रहा है न्यूरॉन थ्रू द न्यूक्लियस एंड एक्सॉन, ट्रांसफरिंग इट टिल द टर्मिनल बटन एंड, वो जो है नर्व पोटेंशियल का वर्क है। ओके, देन लास्ट इज सिनैप्स। सिनैप्स क्या है? उसका फंक्शनल कनेक्शन क्या है बिटवीन द टू न्यूरॉन्स। जो हमें यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है ये जो है सिनैप्स है, ये सिनैप्स की वर्किंग है कि ये जो टू न्यूरॉन्स के टर्मिनल बटन्स है उनको कनेक्शन उनमें फॉर्म करने के लिए, अट्रैक्शन, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन फॉर्म कर रहा है, दैट इज सिनैप्स। इज एम्प्टी स्पेस, नॉट द डॉट, द एम्प्टी स्पेस बिटवीन इज नोन एज सिनैप्स। Okay, this is the complete diagram. It can come in 5 marks question, 6 marks question, and its parts can come in 2 or 3 marks questions. If it comes in 6 marks question, you have to draw the complete structure, you have to explain its types, and then you have to write the basic unit of nervous system. And if it's come only in 3 marks or 4 marks, then it can come in only one type, that explain the types of nervous system, neuron types. So you have to explain these 2 types. If they ask you the functions, then you have to explain only these 3 functions. Okay, so this thing you need to understand, how do the question forms from one topic. This is all about this topic. Tomorrow we will talk about brain. About what we will talk about? Brain. About what? The central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, and then also the structure. We will going to talk about this. Thank you and have a nice day.